This is an old Ingersoll Rand Australian built compressor. US built Century electric Repulsion start induction motor. Still works. I'll start it up in a minute. It's a 1 horsepower, 240 or 400 volt dual voltage. It's got wonderful little OHSA approved wiring. Piston pump's very tired and old. It's due for refurbishment or replacement. The tank still has to be checked out. Don't know what it's like inside, but it does work. It does pump up. Pressure gauge is obviously stuffed. Nice big motor too. A bit of trash in there too. Leaf. And that pulley's the wrong bore size for the shaft. They've changed it over at some stage. I tried this piston pump before and she's a bit busted up inside. She just knocks and clatters and carries on. It's been dropped on the flywheel, the crankshaft's bent, and it's probably pushed it back in and snapped the conrods. Everything else is gone. Oh, there's my old scroll. Big one. Not much else out of here. It's got the wreckage of some old air conditioners, copier. Lots of bike bits. Lots of bike bits. Oh, thanks for watching folks. I hope you enjoy that other compressor. And a pop valve. I might grab that.